Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Dr. Arindam, and if you are an Indian viewer, then I wish every one of you happy Vishwakarma Puja. You know, Vishwakarma is the god of machines, alright? He's the supreme mechanic. Anyways, the good news is Pixie is back. Yes, guys, Pixie is back. There are many speculations and anxiety among my subscribers that Pixie's review times are taking so long. Sometimes during submission, the website was down. Anyways, but those issues have been resolved. Why I say this? Because I've got proof. Number one, proof regarding sales. You can see in my earnings that I also pointed out during my last earnings video that in the last month, you can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales in Pixie, and already I got one sale. So files are selling, people are browsing Pixie, clients are actually buying photos from Pixie. So website is definitely not down, they're up. Number two, I actually reached my payout on Pixie. You know, being a contributor, being a stock photographer, as your photo sales, you earn commission. For me, you can see for one photo sold for ₹100, I got a commission of ₹28. So when they add up, when you reach the minimum amount, you definitely get paid. And I can show you in my payments, I got many payments from Pixie till date. The latest payment was on 14th of this month. That's a couple of days back. And as soon as I requested in Pixie, you need to request manually. You can see here, you need to just link your bank information. There is no need to fill up tax form if you are an Indian. All right, because it's an Indian agency, they will simply pay you the total amount which is due. So you can see 542.4 Indian rupee was due. I just clicked on the redeem request. It was granted or processed almost immediately, and then the whole thing got paid to my bank account. So this is the maximum proof that I can give you. See, bank transfer via Pixie. If you want, I can actually enlarge this page also. You can see Pixie Digital. Okay, this they have transferred it to my bank account. The date is 14th September, and the exact amount 542.4 rupee. Okay, please don't look into my total balance. Okay, yeah, not that much, only 50,000. Anyways, so this is what I had to tell you guys. Yes, I also got anxious, to be honest. I got anxious, and I maybe shared with you guys that Pixie is down. When it was down, I couldn't upload. I did share, right? But now it's time for me to correct those mistakes and declare it that Pixie is back. Because honestly, this is not a sponsored review. I always make reviews on my own. So whenever something is happening good, I should point you out, because I want every one of you to submit your photos into Pixie, because the review system is lenient, all right? There are not much stringencies. They usually easily accept editorial content, right? And they are selling, right? That's the most convincing proof. What you need more, right? So you can contribute, and especially if you're an Indian contributor, your style of shooting matches with what Pixie wants and with what clients are gonna search your image for. So that's it for today. This was my message to you all. Start contributing in Pixie. If you are already contributing, it's fine. If you had stopped due to some reason, resume your workflow, right? So I wish you all the best, and wish all the best to Pixie that they are back. I hope we'll do great business together in future if you're listening to me. Anyways, if you're watching this video till now, the code of the day is Vishwakarma. Yes, it's a big word. You can just notice the spelling in the video, and you can put it in the comment section, and I will know you're watching my video till now. Anyways guys, I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.